Which blood cell type has the shortest lifespan? Red blood cells, platelets, lymphocytes, neutrophils. The correct answer is option D, neutrophils. What is the most abundant protein in human blood plasma? Fibrinogen, hemoglobin, albumin, immunoglobulin. The correct answer is option C, albumin. The largest white blood cell is eosinophil, basophil, monocyte, lymphocyte. The correct answer is option C, monocyte. The smallest type of white blood cell is neutrophil, basophil, lymphocyte, monocyte. The correct answer is option C, lymphocyte. What is the major waste product formed after the breakdown of hemoglobin, uric acid, bilirubin, creatinine, ammonia? The correct answer is option B, bilirubin. The total volume of blood in an adult is about 3 to 4 liters, 4 to 5 liters, 5 to 6 liters, 6 to 7 liters. The correct answer is option C, 5 to 6 liters. What gives plasma its yellow color? Urea, bilirubin, carotene, none of these. The correct answer is option B, bilirubin. What is the medical term for high red blood cell count? Leukopenia, polycythemia, anemia, thrombocytosis. The correct answer is option B, polycythemia. Which of the following proteins in plasma helps in blood clotting? Hemoglobin, fibrinogen, albumin, myoglobin. The correct answer is option B, fibrinogen. What percentage of the human body's weight is blood? 7 to 8%, 12 to 15%, 8 to 10%, 15 to 20%. The correct answer is option A, 7 to 8%. Which of the following blood cells is primarily involved in immune responses to infections? Erythrocytes, leukocytes, thrombocytes, neurons. The correct answer is option B, leukocytes. Which blood cells are involved in allergic reactions? Neutrophils, lymphocytes, basophils, none of these. The correct answer is option C, basophils. What percentage of blood volume is made up of red blood cells hematocrit in males? 35 to 40%, 40 to 50%, 50 to 60%, 60 to 70%. The correct answer is option B, 40 to 50%. Which organ is responsible for producing most clotting factors in the blood? Bone marrow, liver, spleen, kidneys. The correct answer is option B, liver. Which part of the blood is responsible for maintaining blood volume and pressure? Red blood cells, white blood cells, plasma, platelets. The correct answer is option C, plasma. What is the name of the process by which red blood cells are produced? Hemostasis, hematophysis, erythrophysis, leukophysis. The correct answer is option C, erythrophysis. Which is the rarest blood type in the ABO system? A positive, AB negative, B positive, O negative. The correct answer is option B, AB negative. What is the function of albumin in blood plasma? Carry oxygen, maintain osmotic pressure, fight infections, aid in clotting. The correct answer is option B, maintain osmotic pressure. Which part of hemoglobin bends to oxygen? Hemigroup, globin protein, iron ion, carbon atom. The correct answer is option A, hemigroup. What condition occurs when red blood cells are destroyed faster than they are produced? Hemolytic anemia, aplastic anemia, iron deficiency anemia, pernicious anemia. The correct answer is option A, hemolytic anemia. Which blood component is responsible for the body's ability to clot and stop bleeding? Platelets, red blood cells, white blood cells, plasma proteins. The correct answer is option A, platelets. What is the medical term for low platelet count in the blood? Leukopenia, anemia, thrombocytopenia, polycythemia. The correct answer is option C, thrombocytopenia. What is the term for the rupture of red blood cells releasing hemoglobin into the bloodstream? Hemostasis, hemolysis, erythrophosis, leucophosis. The correct answer is option B, hemolysis. What percentage of blood is made up of plasma? 30%, 45%, 55%, 70%. The correct answer is option C, 55%. What is the function of the enzyme thrombin in blood clotting? It activates platelets, it breaks down red blood cells, it converts fibrinogen into fibrin, it transports oxygen. The correct answer is option C, it converts fibrinogen into fibrin. Which of the following conditions is characterized by the inability to produce enough clotting factors? Hemophilia, sickle cell anemia, leukemia, thrombocytopenia. The correct answer is option A, hemophilia. Which organ acts as the primary site for blood filtration and waste removal? Liver, kidney, spleen, lungs. The correct answer is option B, kidney. Which part of the blood carries nutrients and hormones? Plasma, red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets. The correct answer is option A, plasma. Which of the following blood cells is responsible for transporting carbon dioxide away from tissues? Red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, lymphocytes. The correct answer is option A, red blood cells. What is the primary role of neutrophils in the blood? Blood clotting, immune defense by phagocytosis, oxygen transport, producing antibodies. The correct answer is option B,